Having a plant does more than make you feel like you've got this whole aduldting thing down. One study found that interacting with indoor plants can reduce both physiological and psychological stress. Plus, plants are great at purifying the air in your home by filtering out everyday pollutants. Add these indoor plants to your home, and you'll start reaping all the healthy benefits ASAP. 1. Snake plant. Snake plant simply gets its name from the thin, upright leaves with irregular green banding that look like, you guessed it, snakeskin. Besides looking cool, it's a low-maintenance plant that's known for surviving droughts, making it perfect for newbies living in almost any environment. Although the snake plant prefers bright light, it can survive lower light levels. Snake plants have also been shown to filter out nasty chemicals like benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene, so you can breathe easy having this in your home. 2. Pothos. The pothos is a great pick if you're a self-proclaimed black thumb. This plant starts out small, its trailing vines can grow to over 10 feet long. Even indoors where lower light and dry air make conditions less than ideal, this plant is super easy to grow. While you'll need to learn how to propagate a pothos plant, you can basically get as many plants as you want for the price of one. And like the snake plant, the pothos filters benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. 3. Dracaena. If you live a high-maintenance life, always on the go, out at all hours, you need an easy-going, low-maintenance plant. It can easily adapt to different light environments, though it's best to keep it away from direct sun. It can deal with indoor temperature and season changes better than others. When it comes to purifying the air, though, the Dracaena marginata plant is your best bet. It removes benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene. 4. Zedd plant. If you live in a lower light environment, Marino suggests getting a Zedd plant. Because they're drought-tolerant and incredibly low maintenance under the surface of its surrounding potting mix, these rhizomes store water and help the plant survive drought in its natural environment. That means they'll also help it survive infrequent waterings in your space. Many cultures believe a Zedd plant symbolizes prosperity and friendship, making it a great housewarming gift. 5. Spider plant. Plants that give off instant jungle vibes, like the spider plant. These plants need bright light, but no direct sun, so they're perfect to put in a room with big windows. Just keep it away from the windowsill. This plant is fun to have around because it grows baby spiders, spiderets, which can be easily propagated. It's also a strong air purifier, removing both formaldehyde and xylene. 6. Rubber tree. If you have a tendency to forget about your plants, or are new to the whole plant-parent lifestyle, get a rubber tree. They're tolerant to some degree of neglect, and handle underwatering better than overwatering. A rubber tree needs bright light, can take some partial sunlight, and a good amount of space around for it to be happy, grow, and remove carbon dioxide from your home. 7. Bird's nest fern. Having a bird's nest fern in your home is an instant conversation starter, thanks to its bright green, ripple-edged fronds. You'll score major cool points with this signature-looking plant. Because the bird's nest fern thrives in medium indirect light and a humid environment. It would do great in a bathroom with a shower, as long as there are windows that receive natural light. Ferns have been shown to filter formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, so it's not a bad idea to put one in your bathroom. After all, that's where you're likely to use household toxins, like harsh cleaners, hairspray, and nail polish remover that often contain these chemicals. 8. Peace lily. If you already have experience keeping an indoor plant alive, then it might be time to add a peace lily into the mix. Keeping it moist without overwatering and placing it in a bright but shady spot. The peace lily's flowers have pollen, so this plant might not be the best choice for people who struggle with allergies. Putting a peace lily in your bedroom, since it produces oxygen at night, while most other plants do that during the day. Besides producing oxygen, this plant also removes ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene.